Welcome to another beautiful morning of the drive with Nana Yayabwa. What am I going to talk about today? That's a very good question. There are a few things flirting around in my mind, but I think today the most important thing I'm going to talk about is having the patience to listen to people. And really, this is an observation that I have found amongst many of us. When we are upset with a situation or something is happening in our lives and somebody interjects and wants to give a different perception of it, we just block people off or drop the phone call on them. And I find that I need to often tell the other person, this conversation is not going according to how I expect it to go. So I need to get off the phone. I give you the cue. I just don't go. I give you the cue. I need to get off the phone because this conversation is not going according to how I want it to. So this is the morning. Oh, look at that. There's some cattle in the pasture. Yes. So back to the topic at hand. Listening is very important. Communication, how we communicate, is very important. When you present a problem to somebody and the person gives you an alternative, you see the problem, I do believe that we need to take a step back and listen. However, if you don't want to listen, at least cue the person before you get off the phone. Listening offers different perspectives and different viewpoints from where one is coming from. Listening, on the other side, also gives a critical judgment, at least where I'm involved, on a situation that is ongoing. I love to hear and know every aspect of a problem because I'm inquisitive as such. But I have found that many people are unwilling to listen. And since communication is a two-way street, if you are unwilling to listen to what one has to offer, if you present a situation, then the question is, why did you present that situation to the person? Likewise, there's also the alternative that everyone sees issues differently. If you don't like to hear it or the person is not on your side, well, too bad, because the person is coming from a place of knowing, a place of experience, and a place whereby have been in connection with such situations before and have found ways of solving those situations. Beautiful sunrise. Have found a way of solving those situations. So I will not take more of your time. My only advice to all of us, myself included, is to listen. And I remember one of my mentors, my spiritual mother, telling me, Miss Nana, it is always important, even if you don't like what is being said to you, just listen to it and you will come out with more than you went in with. Hone in on your emotions, because your emotions get the better part of you, and when it gets the better part of you, you get lost in translation. So I learned something. I hope you also learned something from me. This is Morning Drive with me. We are almost in the region of Waterloo. Good